In this episode, I'm going to show you how to access your Android phone files from your Windows PC without a USB cable using this cool software. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is download the Wi-Fi file transferred on your Android phone from the Google Play Store. The icon looks like this. Once you install it, you're going to open it, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. Now that you have your Wi-Fi file transfer open, make sure you're on your Wi-Fi network on your phone. Then you're going to click on Start. When you click on Start, you're going to see this here. It's going to say file transfer is running on. It's going to have an IP address and colon and 1234, which 1234 is the port that it's running on. That's the default port. You can change that, and I'll show you how to do it here in a minute. Okay, so what you're going to do is we're going on the bottom of the app on the far right. You're going to click on the cog icon. And the cog icon, you're going to click on it, and it's going to put you in settings. Now here, you're going to see FTP server disabled, which you don't really need to enable that. Password protection, which is disabled. Now you can enable password protection and put a password to it as well. The HTTP port number is 1234 is by default, and you can actually change that by clicking on it and then putting in whatever port number you want, but I kept mine as default. Theme, you can change the background of the app. The all file access, you can enable that. Without it enabled, you're only going to access your photos, music, and video. You're not going to be accessing all of your files unless you allow file access. Okay, that's about it for the app. Now let's jump on the computer and I'll show you how to access your files. Now to access your files, you're going to open a web browser. You can use Firefox, Chrome, whatever browser you use. Here on the top of the address bar, you're going to put in the IP address colon and the port number that you see on your app on your phone. So you're going to put that in, hit enter, and it's going to come to this page here. Now here you can, on the far right, you can change it to dark mode or light mode. All right, if you do it a few times, you can get seizures. All right, so I like mine dark mode. Okay, so here you have your My Files, Recent Files, Documents. I'm going to show you the music tab. Here's all your music, and you can actually download your music here. You click on download. I'm not going to show you the pictures or videos for privacy. So you can search your files, recent files here, and then My Files. Here you can bring the left panel in and out. And that is it. It's really easy to use, simple. If you go to settings down here, see your phone storage or your tablet storage, and you can actually turn off dark mode to light mode, and you can have seizures again. Okay, up here, you can see 83 gigs of the total 104 gigs used on your phone. All right, that is it on this app. Really nice app. So I do recommend it. Now you can use OneDrive, but that takes time to set up, create an account. With this, you don't have to create no account or anything like that. It's really simple. If you want more tips, tricks, and guides to Windows 10 or 11 operating systems, be sure to subscribe and turn your bell notification on for more videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.